Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to send Solana from Binance to Phantom wallet. So in order to do it, you first need to launch your Binance mobile application, and then you need to simply tap on this assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now you need to tap on spot, and here in this spot you need to simply select Solana. Now after selecting Solana, you will see the withdrawal option in the bottom, so you need to simply tap on it and then select the option of send via crypto network. Now once you do this, you will be landed on this page where it will ask you to provide the deposit address. So in order to get it, you need to simply launch your Phantom wallet, and here on the home page you need to simply tap on the receive option. Now after tapping on receive, you will see the list of all of the networks that you can use on Phantom, including Solana. So in this list you need to simply select the deposit address of Solana, and you need to tap on the copy button right next to it. So after doing this, you need to simply come back in your Binance account, and in the address section you need to paste this address. In the network, you need to make sure that you select Solana. Then you need to enter the amount of Solana that you want to withdraw. Afterwards, you need to tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner and complete your transaction. Once your transaction is completed successfully, you will receive your Solana from your Binance account to your Phantom wallet. So that's a wrap up. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.